Welcome to the UNLV College of Education tutorial on Anthology Portfolio. This is for UNLV faculty members. This is just a quick start video. To get more information about how the system works, please select the user guide. From here you can click Assessor. Here you'll find a number of different quick start guides and other tutorials for how to navigate and use the system. We're going to be looking at two items from the assessor perspective, and that's going to be the student results of evaluations and journal hours. For student results, I'm going to go up here to the upper right hand corner and select student results to quickly navigate to all the evaluations. From here I can left click on an evaluation to view more details or a summary. I can also export these data by selecting CSV. Another place to access student results is by clicking Menu, Reporting, and Student Results. Okay, the next thing we want to look at is journal hours. To access journal hours, I'm going to select Menu, Work, Experiential Learning, and here I'll get a list of my placements. I can also export from this page by selecting once again CSV. I want to look at an individual placement, so I'm going to left click on it and go to View. Here I get information about the individual placement, and if I scroll down, I might get some statistics provided by the National Center for Educational Statistics. Right now I'm curious about how the student has been doing, so I'm going to go ahead and click on their journal and take a look at the activities and hours logged by each week. Once again, I can export these data using this Export to Excel or Export to TSV. A quick note about TSV and CSV files: Excel will recognize these files and import them natively.